This is a custom PS5 controller which was sent to me for a repair. This controller is suffering from stick drift, and in this video I will be disassembling this controller and I will be replacing the stock sticks with some Hall effect sticks. So these are the Hall effect sticks that I will be installing in it. These are Ginfull V5S sticks, and these are drift free sticks because these use magnets to register the movement. In this video I will be installing 2 of them, and the stock sticks looks like this. So these are the stock sticks that come with this controller. You just need to get rid of this front plate or whatever you want to call it. Just keep it aside. Then you will need to get rid of this L1 and R1 button. Now after removing the screws, you will need to just get this latch off. And as you can see, this controller was opened previously and there is this broken latch here. I'm going to ignore it and unlatch the other one. And this is a little difficult of a step because you need to keep a few things into consideration. Just don't pull it very hard, just be gentle here. And here we have a few things going on. Over the battery there is this little connector that I am going to ignore because I am told to do that. And we are going to keep this aside too, and we are going to remove the battery. And now we can just get this battery compartment off. And now I am going to just get this cable plugged off. This cable is already off, and as this is a custom controller, we have some customizations here. I'm not going to bother about anything. We are just going to get the PCB out, and there we have the stock PCB. This is BDM 010. So this is the first generation controller, and I'm going to just get the speaker removed, and we are going to place it in its place here. So at this point we can just get these analog sticks off. And now we can get to the business end of this PCB, where we will be just adding a little bit of solder to these joints, and then I will be using some hot air to just get these analog sticks removed. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to install these Hall effect sticks, and then later I'm going to show it to you how it all goes. So there we go. The Hall effect sticks are installed and this is all ready to go. Now I will be putting it back together, and in the end we will be testing how these sticks perform. So it's time to reassemble everything,